Paragraph My school. So let's begin. About my school. My school is a well-established institution with a strong educational foundation. It has 30 dedicated teachers who are committed to providing quality education to all students. There are 300 students who attend the school, each of them learning in a positive and motivating environment. Some things in my school. The school offers various facilities and activities to enrich student life. It has a well-equipped library, science labs, and computer rooms, making learning more interactive. Additionally, students participate in extracurricular activities such as sports, music, and art, which help in their overall development. The environment at my school is calm and inspiring, promoting both academic excellence and personal growth. The classrooms are spacious and well lit, and the school grounds are beautifully landscaped with gardens and open spaces. The positive atmosphere encourages everyone to learn and grow together, fostering a sense of community and respect.